This perfect bottle didn't start in a factory. It all begins precision in every single drop.
Quality check complete. The sample meets our high standards and is ready for the batch line.
From farm to bottle.
Welcome to my channel, Nexa. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how tomato ketchup factory icery is made.
Every bottle begins here, where nature delivers its ripest harvest.
Only mature tomatoes are chosen, judged by color, firmness, and weight.
Harvested tomatoes are gathered swiftly to preserve freshness. Speed matters, as time begins shaping flavor and quality.
Mile after mile, the journey continues. Ahead lies the manufacturing hub, ready to receive the vital components.
Freshly harvested tomatoes move fast, protecting flavor at every mile. Every delivery is timed, traced, and prepared for processing.
This is where raw harvest meets industrial precision.
Behind these walls, freshness is transformed at industrial scale.
Inside, every movement follows a planned path.
The processing journey begins with controlled flow.
The first cleanse removes soil, dust, and field residue.
Clean produce moves forward, prepared for inspection. Only the best continue toward transformation. Here, structure breaks down and processing truly begins.
The primary crusher blades utilize powerful torque to slice and crush the tomatoes, transforming them into a rich pulp that flows through the steel outlet.
Pulp moves instantly, avoiding exposure to air and delay.
The thermal preheater ensures the tomato pulp reaches optimal temperature before exiting through the insulated outlet. Controlled heat prepares the base for transformation. Heat and motion begin transforming pulp into rich, vibrant ketchup.
The injection system adds precise amounts of sugar, salt, and vinegar, swirling them into the bright red mixture.
Precision blending ensures smooth texture in every drop. From pulp to perfectly seasoned sauce, transformation is complete. Automation ensures consistency at every single fill.
With exact torque applied, the bottles move forward, passing under advanced inspection cameras to ensure perfect alignment and seal integrity.
Every bottle is examined. Nothing leaves imperfect. From filling to labeling, machines choreograph every move with precision. Even the finest shine is automated for perfect presentation.
The robotic arm checks each bottle cap with sensors, applying the heat seal to ensure airtight closure.
Precision keeps every bottle in perfect formation. Every bottle now gleams, ready for final storage and dispatch.
Even perfection is verified in every batch before release.
Every metric is checked, from acidity to color.
Every bottle is now carefully organized for storage and delivery. Distribution begins, bringing freshness directly to markets everywhere.
From our facility to your home, the journey begins. A new shipment of fresh ketchup is now underway.
And this is how modern factories produce tomato ketchup from start to finish.